Today we're going to get rid of these bulky mud flaps with one of these clean mud flap delete kits. All you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket. You'll see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts and some of these plastic ones holding it in. Remove all of them. Now, depending on what kit you get, it'll depend what hardware you get. This one requires you to keep some of your old screws, but it will replace the plastic ones with these large, thick ones. Take one of the screws through the small hole, line it up, thread it in, just so it'll hold that in place. Do the same for the bottom. Now that the metal screws are in place, this kit only needs the 2 in each corner. Now we put the plastic ones. You'll notice there's a little gap right here. You actually have to pull back a little bit for this to line up, so it'll pull tight once you put the plastic pieces in. Now tighten down your metal screws. And you're done.